The optimized charge limit feature aims to extend battery life by limiting charging to 80% on AirPods Pro 3. To disable it, go to Settings on your paired iPhone. Navigate to Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. Toggle Optimize Battery Charging off for your AirPods Pro 3. Be aware that iOS or AirPods firmware updates can re-enable this feature, so you may need to periodically check and disable it again. There's no permanent off switch provided by Apple. Disabling allows full charges, but may shorten battery lifespan over time. The optimized battery charging feature re-enables due to iOS updates, AirPods firmware updates, or unpairing and repairing. Apple implements this feature to promote battery health by reducing exposure to high voltage that accelerates battery wear. However, user frustration is growing due to the lack of a permanent disable option. Future iOS updates might offer more granular control over battery settings. Trends suggest increasing adoption of battery health monitoring apps, but for AirPods, control remains primarily through iOS. Expert opinions suggest that while optimized battery charging extends battery lifespan, it may be annoying for power users who rely on consistent full charges.